Welcome again on Gossip Funda YouTube channel. The specific error codes like 2813 for the Nintendo eShop are best resolved by consulting Nintendo's official support channels or website. Error codes can indicate a variety of issues, such as connection problems, account issues, or system errors. Here's a general approach to troubleshooting Nintendo eShop error codes. Check Nintendo's network status. Sometimes, the eShop may be down for everyone due to maintenance or unexpected outages. You can check the network status on Nintendo's official website to see if there are any service disruptions. Restart the device. Simple but often effective. Fully power off your Nintendo console and then turn it back on. Check your internet connection. Ensure your internet connection is stable. You might want to try a connection test from your console settings menu. Update your console. Make sure your console's firmware is up to date. Nintendo occasionally releases updates that fix bugs and other issues. Check for error code details. Nintendo's official support website usually has a search function where you can input your error code and receive specific advice. Contact Nintendo support. If the above steps don't resolve the issue, the best course of action is to contact Nintendo's customer service directly. They can provide guidance specific to error code 2813 and your situation.
Thanks for watching. If you found better solution, then do comment below to help others. I have tried my best. Please do subscribe Gossip Funda.